Hey there, kids. Today I've got a super exciting story for you. It's called Mr. Squishy's Epic Adventure to Find Lily. So get comfy and let's dive right in. Once upon a time there was a soft purple toy named Mr. Squishy. He belonged to a little girl named Lily. Mr. Squishy was always with Lily, playing, reading, and even eating snacks. He was her best friend. One day, while Lily was having a tea party with her other toys, Mr. Squishy fell off the table and got stuck behind the couch. It was dark and full of forgotten socks and crumbs. Mr. Squishy realized he was alone and needed to find his way back to Lily. "I must get back to Lily. She needs me," Mr. Squishy said, puffing up his squishy chest. So off he went on his big adventure. First, Mr. Squishy had to get past the sofa monster, the big fluffy couch cushions. They kept moving and blocking his way. "Help! I'm stuck," he squeaked, but after a few tumbles he finally rolled over the cushions and landed on the floor. "Ha! Take that, sofa monster!" Mr. Squishy cheered, brushing off crumbs. Next, Mr. Squishy had to face the huge vacuum cleaner. It made loud noises and had a long hose ready to suck anything up. "Oh no, the vacuum monster!" Mr. Squishy squeaked, hiding behind a shoe. When the vacuum turned off, Mr. Squishy tiptoed past it. Suddenly the hose wiggled in front of him. "Ah, it's alive!" Mr. Squishy shouted. He ran in circles, then bravely jumped over the hose and landed safely. "I did it! I beat the vacuum monster!" Then Mr. Squishy found himself in a lost sock maze. Socks of all colours were scattered everywhere. Mr. Squishy jumped over them, but kept landing in piles of mismatched socks. "Why is there always one lost sock?" Mr. Squishy wondered, wiggling through the sock tunnel. After some more wiggling, he finally saw a little light shining through a crack in the wall. He knew he was to getting out. Mr. Squishy bounced and tumbled. With one last squishy leap, he landed at the door. He pushed it with all his squishy might, and it creaked open. He saw Lily sitting in the living room with her other toys, looking a little sad. "I'm home," Mr. Squishy shouted. Lily turned around and smiled. "Mr. Squishy, I missed you!" She hugged him tight. "I'm happy to be back with you, Lily," said Mr. Squishy, sighing with relief. But that was a crazy adventure. From that day on, Mr. Squishy never wandered too far from Lily again, but he always remembered his brave adventure. The end.